Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Blueprint in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Blueprint in Dark War Survival. So if you're referring to the design Blueprint in Dark War Survival, here's how you can use it. You need to progress until you unlock the modified garage, also called as the modified vehicle. Open the APC upgrade menu, select the APC part that is ready to upgrade, and once the part of course reaches the required level, starting around APC part level 4, the upgrade will require a design blueprint along with other materials such as titanium alloy and vehicle parts. Then you need to just go and tap upgrade. The blueprint is consumed automatically and you do not use it directly from your inventory. So that's how you can actually go and do it. So this is a process that will take some more time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.